garbage truck is going to work. Go! Garbage truck is driving on the road. Arrived! Ready to clean the garbage can. Put down the clamp. Clamp it. Lift it. Dump the garbage into the carriage. Done! Set the can. Put the clamp away. Yay! The first one has been done. Let's clean the next one. Pass by the maintenance shop. Turn left. Arrived! Cleaning truck is preparing. Put down the clamp. Now clean the blue garbage can. Lift it. Oh no! The clamp is broken. What should we do? Ask Loader for help.
Okay.
Let's go! Pass by the car wash. Arrived! Straighten it up. Then, pick up the garbage back into the can. Loader did a great job. Oh, and clamp. Pick up the clamp. Then weld it back. Then clamp the garbage can. Lift it. Put it on the clamp. Dump the garbage in the carriage. Done! Set the can. Put the clamp away. Garbage truck completed his task. Let's go back. Thank you, Loader. Loader can go back. Loader comes back. Back into the parking lot. Loader did a great job today. Look! Bus is driving on the road. Hey, Bus! Oh no! There is a sharp rock. But Bus doesn't find it. Oh! Bus hits the tree. Huh? What noise? No! Falling rocks! Bus needs help. Wolfoo, Tutu, go to help Bus. Little Red and Little Blue go with them. They arrived. Poor Bus is laying on the ground and couldn't get up. Bus, don't worry. I will call Wolfoo for help. Wolfoo, go to help Bus now. Hook Bus with the bucket. Pull it back, Wolfoo. Come on, Wolfoo. Oh, Wolfoo is out of strength. Tutu and Robots go to assist Wolfoo. Tutu is here. Little Red is here. Little Blue is here. Help Bus up. However, Bus seems a bit off. Wolfoo, check Bus now. Lift Bus first. Little Blue, please check the bearing problem. It doesn't seem to have problem with the bearing. So what is the problem is? Go to the front. Oh, the bumper of Bus was dented. tires of Bus were also punctured. Something is off. Wolfoo, take Bus's temperature with the thermometer. Bus, take your temperature. Oh, Bus is in fever. Wolfoo, take Bus back to the base for treatment. Look, Tutu! Wolfoo and Bus are playing football. Wolfoo, stop the football! Oh no! Wolfoo is hanging on the cliff. Tutu tries to pull Wolfoo up, but he can't. Bus can't either. Tutu, what should we do? Got it! Let's rope to the bucket of Wolfoo. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Begin! Hold! Yeah! Wolfoo is saved! However, the football fell under the bridge. Tutu, what should we do? Tutu has an idea. We can hang Wolfoo down with the rope. Let's make preparation. Bus and Tutu build the rack first. Wolfoo put the rollers on. Come on, Wolfoo. Wolfoo is going down. Wolfoo, the football is on the right. Wolfoo hooks the football. Tutu comes to check. Hey, Tutu, pull me up. Tutu, Bus, let's pull. Yeah, the football and Wolfoo are here. Let's play. Oh, the football is hanging on the tree. Bus makes trouble again. Wolfoo and Tutu want to play hide and seek. Tutu is the seeker. 10, 9, 8, 7. Bus! Wolfoo! Hurry to hide yourself! Wolfoo comes to the base. Huh? Second floor? Wolfoo hides itself under the deck of the second floor. Be careful! Bus! Hide yourself quickly! Bus wants you to hide here. Oh, the back of Bus is exposed. Bus, you can't hide here. Change a place. 6, 5, 4. What to do? Bus can't find a place. 3, 2, 1. Tutu, go to seek them. Huh? Bus, you need to hide yourself. Ah! 10, 9, 8, 7. Where to hide Bus? Bus, Haystack can't hide you. Come out. Bus comes to the dyeing shop. Bus is dyed yellow. How does 5, 4, 3. Bus, hide yourself! Oh, the color of the wall is the same as Bus. Hide here! 2, 1. Begin to seek. Will they hide here? No. Are they in the haystack? Neither. Keep seeking. Tutu doesn't see Bus. Come to the base. Wolfoo is found. Ah, you are so fast. Go to find Bus. Where does Bus hide? Huh? Some sound is over there. Go! It seems to be Bus. Bus is found. Bus is watering the flower. Wolfoo comes to the river for collecting water. Be careful, Wolfoo. No, Wolfoo fell into the river. Don't worry, we will help you right away. Tutu stretches the wheel to stop Wolfoo. Look, Wolfoo floats down. Oh, Tutu can't reach him. Hey, a stone! Bus, hurry up and go to help it. Push the stone into the river. Come on! Tutu finds another stone aside. Go to push it into the river. Tutu prepared, ready to push it. It's done! Tutu is great! Oh, Wolfoo floats here. Wolfoo is stuck. He tried to swim ashore, but he failed. Look, Tutu throws a rope. Wolfoo holds the rope. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Let's pull Wolfoo out! Whoa! Wolfoo comes out! The Wolfoo got a cold. Go back for treatment. Bus and Tutu are playing football. They enjoy themselves. Oh! The football fell into the grass. Bus is sad. Tutu decides to find it. Tutu is looking around. Then it climbs to the top. Shake the grass. A volleyball fell out. Shake again. Oh, a Coke bottle. Shake again. Oh, lots of garbage. Tutu kicks them away. Almost hit Bus. Shake again. Wow, a golden seed. Bus comes. He touches the seed. What kind of seed is it? Wolfoo is driving on the road. Hey, Wolfoo! Wolfoo heard Bus. Go to take a look. Wolfoo also comes. He's going to dig a pit. Done! Bus, push the golden seed into the pit. It's done! Then, Wolfoo fills the pit. Tutu transforms into a fire truck. Start watering the pit! Bus compacts the soil. drive across the pit to make it compacted. Oh! The golden seed is sprouting. It grows into a big tree. Buzz shouted, "Help! Help!" Tutu comes. "Don't worry, Buzz. I'm coming." Tutu raised the ladder. But he can't reach Buzz. Tutu tries to pull down Buzz with a rope. Tutu, throw out the rope. Okay, Tutu, go for it. Come on. The tree is bent. Buzz is thrown into the river. Wow! Buzz is saved! Look! Wolfo is walking on the street. Huh? What is Wolfo looking for? Oh! There is a water pistol. Wolfo is thinking of what can be done with it. Wow! Buzz and Tutu is playing football. Got it! He can cool them down with the water pistol. Take it! Wolfo is going to cool them by surprise. Oh no! Isn't that a water pistol? Try again. No! It's a frozen pistol. Tutu and Buzz are frozen. Wolfo did it, but he is not on purpose. Wolfo needs to help Tutu and Buzz. Wolfo, do you have an idea? We can melt the ice with the sun. Wolfo, it's a good idea. Oh no, the sun is covered by dark cloud. Buzz and Tutu can't get the sunlight. Wolfo wants to put them under the sun. But he is not strong enough. Huh? Football! Wolfo got an idea! Hook the football! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Look! The ice is cracked a little. Wolfo finds a new way. It tries to cut the ice with its bucket. Wow! Buzz is saved. Wolfo also needs to help Tutu. Done! Wolfo, you are brilliant! Look! Excavator Wolfo is driving! There is a fork ahead. No! Tutu and Buzz are rushing from both sides. Wolfo! Brake! Oh, Tutu hits the tree. Buzz! Brake now! Stop! Finally! Oh, dangerous! Wolfo fell into the river. Tutu can't help him. It is still dizzy now. Buzz, go to save Wolfo. Buzz tries to pull him, but it can't reach him. What should it do? Got it. There is a buoy. Throw it to the river. Wolfo, get on the buoy. Wolfo, don't worry. I'll ask someone to help you. Look, there is a transport ship in the distance. Bus, ask him for help! Hey, transport ship! Oh, transport ship! Someone is calling you! Bus, what's up? Wolfo fell into the river. We need your help. Okay, I'm coming. We need to find Wolfo. I found him. Wolfo, get on board. Wolfo is safe now. Transport ship, please send Wolfo back to the shore. Wolfo, here is the dock. Please get off. Oops, here is a guardrail. Wolfo is out of strength being in the water for too long. Bus pull Wolfo up. Wolfo is helped to shore. Bus is great! Look! Wolfo is sleeping deeply. Oh? What happened to Bus? It is too hungry to stand up. Wolfo! Wolfo, wake up! Wolfo, I'm so hungry. Could you take some food for me? Wolfo has several cakes here. But which cake will he take to Bus? There are cream cake, blueberry cake, mango cake, and strawberry cake. Take the cream cake to Bus. Go to deliver the cake to Bus. Wow, the sun is strong. The cake is melting gradually. Whoa! Go back to get another one. Arrived. Put the melted cake to the shelf. Take another one. The blueberry cake. Wolfo, be quicker this time. Otherwise, the cake will melt again. Oh no! The cake fell on the ground. Luckily, Wolfo is well. But the cake is no longer edible. Go back again. Put back the broken cake. What to do now? Wolfo, find a way. Oh! Wolfo got an idea! Hurry up! Bus is very hungry now. Take a mango cake this time. Look! The sun is still strong. But the cake is shaded by the bucket. Let's go! Wolfo is delivering the cake carefully. Bus, cake is coming soon. Wolfo arrived. Put the cake on the ground. Bus, please eat the cake. Wow, Bus is energetic again. Wolfo is driving on the road. Why does he stop? There is a shabby bridge. Wolfo tries to drive across the bridge. Oh no! Wolfoo fell down. It's high. How do I get up? Wolfoo stands up. He tries to climb through the wall. Wolfoo, come on! Oh, it's too slippery. Wolfoo can't climb up. He is trapped. Tutu, go to help Wolfoo. Buzz, go to help him. Wolfoo, don't worry. Tutu and Buzz is coming. Tutu and Buzz came. Wow, it's too high. What should we do? Tutu, find a way. Got it. We can put a rope on Wolfoo, then pull him up. First step, let's build a rack. Little red, little blue. Go with them. Little red lifts the left. Little blue lifts the right. Install the rack here. Buzz, put on the rollers on. What's the noise? Oh, dangerous! Robot goes to set the plates. Done! Help Wolfoo to tie the rope. Buzz, Tutu, are you ready? Go! Wolfoo comes up. Go to a safe place now. Wolfoo is saved. Good. What is Tutu going to do? It carries freight. Watch out! Dodge it! Oh, the goods fell into the river. Tutu, go to pick up the goods. He comes to the river and stretch out the wheel to block them. Look, the goods are floating down. Alas, he can't reach them. Goods float away. Tutu seems to find something. Huh? Branches? Got it. We can stop the goods with branches. Tutu takes the branch quickly. Throw it into the river. Hope he can succeed. Oh, he failed. Huh? Buzz, do you want to block them with the stone? Come on, push it! Push the stone into the river. Goods float down. Hope he can succeed. Yeah! Goods are blocked! But Tutu still can't reach it. Wolfoo, wake up! Tutu needs your help. It can't reach the goods in the river. Go to have a look. Wolfoo arrived. Wolfoo, please hook the boxes. No problem. Wolfoo, come on. Yeah, boxes are hooked up by Wolfoo.